The Portland Pickers. That worked.
That
was much better.
Resellers. We go out to estate sales and thrift shops and Goodwill bins, which this is a Goodwill bins haul.
Yes, this is from the outlet where you can go in, throw $20 down on the table, and demand service.
What? Where do you go? Is there a back alley?
Wait a second. That wasn't the Goodwill bins. Anyway. So at the Goodwill bins, you
buy things by the pound.
You go in there and it is a goddamn fiasco. It is a mess. It is what happens when a tornado
meets a volcano. All I know is I love you so much you can't walk away though.
It's basically an Eminem song. It's a mess. And it gets violent fast. So anyway, they roll out blue bins, kind of like this one right here. They like roll them out, and then there's like
way bigger than that.
8 of them. They're like 12 feet long, 4 feet deep.
Could live in one.
Yeah, you could live in one. In fact,
why hasn't anyone done that?
Let's.
Like
Next video, we're gonna live at the bins.
Portland Pickers. And did we do some picking today?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome back. We didn't go anywhere. I am so hyped. To show you guys what we found at the bins. You are not going to believe it. Because I
don't believe it.
I don't believe it either. I can barely believe it.
I don't know what's going on.
I have very few beliefs.
Wait,
so hard for me to believe this.
Wait, this is actually your belief.
This is what I believe. This is what I believe in. Okay. Here we have electronics, game-related stuff.
Which we've been picking up wherever we go because we sell them pretty easily at the warehouse sale.
Yes.
But then you could find something that might be worth it to sell online too. But for some reason, at the bins, somebody picked up a bunch of. You could tell when someone picked it up and put it back because it's like in a bin with blankets,
clothing and crap.
But so many Xbox games.
Why am I still holding this? I don't know what this is. It's a Data Shark thingy, and it does that. I think it's for like Cat 5 cables.
Oh. This is 2 games.
I'll put it back in there. 2 games in 1. What? I never even heard of that.
NCAA. So it's tennis and football.
Here's the thing, guys. Sports games, not hot sellers.
Especially the older years.
But when it's at the bins and you take it to the warehouse sale, I can get $5 for 2 games. So it's not too shabba-dabby-doo.
Kids just come in because they're like, oh, the game. They don't care that it's 2005.
Batteries do really well. Now, highly recommend you have a multimeter so that you can test the voltage. You're going to set it to the DC volts, direct current voltage, and you're going to see if you have bloop, bloop, whatever the voltage is that says on the battery. And if you don't have that, then you don't have a good battery. Sometimes you could throw it on the charger and you might be able to bring it back to life. If not, back to the Goodwill it goes. If you have a good working battery, you can get $20 to $35, depending on voltage and the brand.
Back to back.
Are you sold yet?
What was this?
Because a lot of the times, you'll find the charger attached to the battery. These have voltage above what they're rated at, which means they're juicy. Hot sellers, these are going on Amazon, tested working, $20 each for the batteries. Only person listed on the charger. Charger's gonna go for 30. Bop it. Extreme. These keychain little gamey things. What? Oh, there we go. Well, okay.
Everybody remembers-
Doing it in reverse is not easy.
Stop it. How much on Amazon?
Like $40.
For that little tiny thing.
For the little tiny thing. This doesn't weigh anything. It's electronic at the bends.
What is this stuff?
This stuff's already listed. Electric pencil sharpener. I don't know if they're actually hot sellers, but tested working.
Always pick
It's
up
about
pencil
$20
sharpeners.
on
Do
Amazon.
you have a
Could also go to the warehouse sale.
spot in your heart for pencil sharpeners? Like,
As a kid,
yeah, as a kid, you like, it was
Always-
like your freedom. You were allowed to stand up and go over
For
to the
no other
pencil
reason
sharpener and sharpen your
but
pencil.
to sharpen a pencil.
Right. Like, that was like your freedom in class. I
You're like,
remember, you
you're-
were like me. To your friend, and then you guys would go talk, but you would be pretending to be sharpening your pencil. Do kids nowadays not have that because they don't? Because they just use mechanical pencils.
Nah, kids still have.
They still have pencil sharpeners.
Yeah, I bet.
Just automatic ones though, not the cranks.
I feel like you'd be like, man, use the bathroom, Mr.
And they
Rogers.
say no.
And you'd be like, no! You're like, I have to sharpen my pencil. He's like, sharpen your pencil. I got yelled at a lot, which is why I have so much trauma related to pencil sharpeners. Unresolved issues. That will be in the next video.
I found this goosebumps sounds of Halloween. I said that funny.
Goosebumps.
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 Goosebumps. The theme
Oh.
song, Ghostly Moans. I figure if it's not worth selling, I can use it for Halloween time.
That's actually really dope, and I'm glad you grabbed it. Because
I
I
don't know
want
what
to keep it.
this is.
Okay, so I looked. This is a vintage PC game. Looked it up on Amazon, and there's like only one person listed at some ungodly number. So that is where that is
You didn't even
going.
see this. Wait, Forgotten Realms. That's part of the
Forgotten Realms.
the Dungeons and Dragons.
Is it?
Yeah, I just learned that. I just picked this up because it looked interesting. I didn't even show Jake.
No, I didn't even see it.
I know he would want it though.
Baldur's Gate. The
Yeah.
Forgotten Realms.
Some more Xbox games. Tiger Woods.
Will you survive the Forgotten Realms?
Hockey. Halo 2. I think we have Halo 1 also, and Assassin's Creed 2.
Wait, what?
And
Classics. If you ever had a LAN party,
I don't even know what that means.
exactly. It was when you interconnected your Xboxes so that you could battle your friends on different TVs.
But can't you just do that live now online?
What? That was before that!
So you were in the same house.
Yes! Oh my god, you got Halo 1 too? It says not for resale.
I know.
That doesn't even make
I
sense.
know I don't know what that means.
Oh my goodness. That means it probably came. Oh my god.
Clean.
It looks real clean.
No, I don't know why somebody put these
Yo, these
back.
are the gems. I mean, the thing
Besides,
is,
they might not be worth selling.
it's not really worth reselling, but to the person who wants it, they'll pay $5
Yeah.
for it. At the warehouse sale or something. Or as a bundle.
Okay, yeah, depends about
God, memories.
your
Memories.
bundle over here. Your bundle of toys.
Here I have some cords. Sometimes they're good. iPod.
And if you
I
want
actually
to
have a little
know,
collection of these.
if you want to know what's good, you can check out our Instagram.
Oh, wait a second. My collection has moved upstairs. Got a collection of these.
You can check out our Instagram to see what has sold and what to keep your eyes out for like cords and stuff.
Is this
I don't know. I just picked that up too. Manual for something.
Maybe that goes with the Forgotten Realms thing. Maybe not. Anyway, these Malibu timing switches. This is the digital one.
151 round.
I've sold this model for $70-some. Maybe it was more. At an estate sale. And this has the wiring and it has the photosensitive timing thingy McGogger.
This one?
No.
Oh,
That's just a different one.
Oh.
Yeah. There's
Dusk
a little
to dawn, 8 hours.
there's a little photosensitive thingy.
Oh, this is to like plug in your light or something.
Yeah, this is a damn mess. Some Beauty Rest heat blanket controllers. Those can be lotted together. Right there. Computer mouse.
That just gets stuck.
It's got to be branded. If it's not Microsoft. Certain ones, the ergonomic ones, or gaming ones, like those go for good money, which is like $30 plus.
Talk about this.
Yeah, so at the very end, it never hurts to check inside of like the CD cases. You don't know what's going to be in there, so this happened to have a bunch of like Bob Marley and like Rastafarian reggae music. So like I think as a collection, this could really appeal to a lot of people. So I have no idea what that will go for, but a few shekels at least.
That's all the.
And that's pretty much it for the electronics, right?
That's the first part of the bins haul. That was all the electronics and the gaming. And now we have a couple other things to look at in the next videos.
Yes. Thank you for tuning in. We love and appreciate all of you so much.
Far away. It all smells like shower.
That's the only way I can put it into words.
Yes, and click over here.
Did you say it didn't smell like a shower?
No, I said I don't smell because I showered.
Oh!
Because you were so far away from me. For the next video, for the part 2 of this.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.